Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com and today we are in the home. In this video, two portable dryer brands will be going head to head. We have the BLACK+DECKER portable dryer and the Costway portable dryer. Hanging your clothes out to dry can be a long process, and getting a full-size dryer might be too costly for most individuals. This is why a portable dryer is something many people consider. These dryers are basically the unsung heroes in smaller spaces, which makes them the ideal choice for apartments, tight quarters, and small condominium units. Of course, size isn't the only thing that matters, and these units have tons of amazing features, which can make the choosing process a bit difficult. This is why we've gathered two of our best and had them face off. In today's brand wars, the BLACK+DECKER portable dryer will be going one-on-one with the Costway portable dryer. Both these units have garnered a 4-badge rating from our team at trustedshopify.com, so you're guaranteed a neck-and-neck match. If you're interested in the other portable dryers that we reviewed, do check out our portable dryer review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these portable dryers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. It goes without saying that the larger the dryer's capacity, the more you'll be able to dry in a single load. This means you'll be saving more time and money. On top of that, when your clothes have more tumbling room, they'll end up less wrinkled by the end of a cycle. BLACK+DECKER has a load volume of 13.2 pounds with an inside capacity of 3.5 cubic feet. On the other hand, Costway has a spacious 3.22 cubic foot capacity and dries up to 13.2 pounds of clothing. While they both feature the same load volume, BLACK+DECKER has the advantage when it comes to its inside capacity, giving it a more spacious interior. With this little advantage, we'll be giving the point to BLACK+DECKER. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their portability. A portable dryer must be able to take as little space as possible while being light enough to move around. These two factors come as an advantage for smaller living spaces such as campers, apartments, and dorms. BLACK+DECKER is perfectly sized for small spaces and also includes an exhaust connector for maximum performance without sacrificing too much floor space. In terms of size, the unit measures 21.5 by 23.6 by 27.5 inches and weighs 49.5 pounds. Meanwhile, Costway features a compact size that allows wall mounting and rack mounting. You also have the option of placing it on firm horizontal ground. As for the size, the unit has dimensions of 23.5 by 20 by 27.5 inches and weighs 60.6 pounds. Costway is just a tad more compact than BLACK+DECKER, but it weighs more than the competition by over 10 pounds. With BLACK+DECKER being the lighter choice, we'll be giving this round to them. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their dry settings. You'll always need to choose a temperature that suits your laundry load. The best dryers have more choices, allowing you to dry a wider variety of clothes. We suggest getting the dryer that offers dry settings that best suits the types of clothes you like to wear. BLACK+DECKER features 4 drying modes to suit your needs: air dry, cool, warm, and hot. Costway, on the other hand, has a 1-hour timer feature that allows you to choose the temperature at 140 degrees and 104 degrees, as well as an airing function that dispels odors and cools the cloth. In this category, both units have various temperature settings that would best fit a wide variety of clothes. With neither of the portable dryers having an actual advantage over the other, it will only be fair to end this round in a tie. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their energy efficiency. If lowering the electric bill is important to you, we suggest getting an energy-efficient model that features eco options. This might not be the main selling point, but it's still one important aspect that you definitely wouldn't want to overlook. BLACK+DECKER features a built-in eco mode that starts the dry cycle with cool air, which then shifts to hot air once it's needed. This is a brilliant choice for individuals who want to save on their power bill. On the flip side, Costway doesn't really have an eco mode, but it's equipped with an automatic shutoff, a 4-layer intake, and an exhaust filter to work efficiently and save energy. Given the features, BLACK+DECKER is made with energy efficiency in mind. That being said, we'll be giving BLACK+DECKER the win once more. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety features. We all know that safety is one of the top priorities you'll want to consider before your purchase. When it comes to dryers, overheating can be an issue, so it would be best to check if your unit features overheat protection or any other safety feature that'll keep you and your home safe. BLACK+DECKER features overheat protection that gives you the ultimate peace of mind whenever you'll be leaving it running for other tasks. The competitor Costway, however, doesn't offer any overheat protection or any other safety feature. This comes at a disadvantage for Costway. The facts are clear as day, and with BLACK+DECKER offering overheat protection, they take home the gold in this category. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their automatic adjustments. It can take a bit of time and effort to decide which dry setting you'll need for your load. This is why the best models have automatic adjustments to remove the guesswork from your drying tasks. BLACK+DECKER boasts a sensor dry feature that measures moisture and automatically adjusts the heat for optimal drying performance. Costway, however, doesn't have an automatic sensor, which will require you to decide the best settings for your load. BLACK+DECKER clearly have the advantage once again, which is why we'll be ending this round with them as a victor. We've reached the end of the battle, and it's finally time to decide which of the two portable dryers has what it takes to bring home the gold. The BLACK+DECKER portable dryer has earned a total of 6 points, with them scoring a point in every single round, while Costway only scored a single point. BLACK+DECKER dominated almost every round, making it clearly the superior choice in terms of safety, energy efficiency, portability, capacity, and smart features. This is why our team will be crowning them as the king in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the BLACK+DECKER portable dryer and the Costway portable dryer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for next portable dryer face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.